Okay, now let's do some exercises about those common and decimal fractions. Okay, now to convert a common fraction like 3/4 to a decimal fraction, what do you do? If we have fraction like 3/4, how do we convert this common factor into decimal factor, decimal fraction I mean, from common fraction into decimal fraction? It's just divided. It's 3 divided by 4. 0. You can't, because 3/4 you can't, so it's 0. So this is my cat again. She is getting hyper here. My cat. Okay, now she's underneath the table here. Okay, so 3/4 is 0.75. Right, 0.75. 7.4. We put 0 here. 7 times 4 is 28. The remainder is 2. We add a 0 here. 20 by 4 is 5. So the answer is 0.5. Right? 0.5. 0.75. So this is common and is 0.75 in a decimal fraction, right? Decimal fraction. So that's how we convert from common fraction to a decimal fraction. You just divide the common fraction, right? You just divide it, a regular normal division. Okay, now to make common fraction a percentage, to make a common fraction a percentage, we follow these steps. Let's say we have, let me get an example here. Okay. If we divide 5, first step, we have this fraction. 5 by 6. 5 divided by 6. Okay. Is what? 5 divided by 6 equals 0.83. 0.83. You can divide at home because I don't want to take too much of my time on this video. So it's 5 over 6 is 0.83, right? That's a common factor, common fraction, decimal fraction. Now how do I convert this to percentage fraction? Percentage fraction is very fun. It's a lot of fun actually. You take 0.83, you take this one, 0.83, you multiply it by 100. Multiply it by 100, it will equal to what? 0.83 times 100. Remember, there's 2 zeros, and we're multiplying, so we take the number to the right twice, to the right. This one from here to there, so from left to right, because there's 2 zeros, 2 locations, so the decimal point goes 2 locations to the right, so the answer is 83. But since it is percentage fraction, so it's 83 percentage. 83%. So this is percentage fraction. It's a percentage fraction. Okay. Excuse me. Percentage fraction. Okay. So it's 83%. 83%. And that's how we convert from common fraction to decimal fraction to percentage fraction. Okay? First step, divide them, regular and normal division. Then you get this decimal fraction multiplied by 100, which is equal 83 in this example. And then you just add the percentage symbol, slash dot dot. Okay, so this is the percentage fraction. Okay, so what does that mean? What does that mean? 5 is 83% of 6. That's what it means. If you take 5, number 5, how many percentage is 5 comparing to 6? It is the 83% of 6. Okay, let me explain it in better way for some people who might have problems with that. Okay, so we got this. 5 over 6 equal 83. 83 times 100 equal 83%, and this is the percentage fraction. Okay, rewind it and look at it again if you need to. So what does that mean? It's very important for business applications, for work, for calculating your salary or your weekly income and comparing to the whole month, for example. Okay, now, so 5 over 6 equal 83%. So 5 is 83% of 6. So let's say we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we take these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 here is 83% of the whole thing. 83% of so this here okay, I love this. This one is 83% of the whole thing here, of the whole thing. So 5 is 83% of 6. 5 is 83% of 6. I will see you next video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.